Hi everyone, it's SoBlezz. It's time to test out this Cook's Panini grill that I purchased at JCPenney for the Black Friday sale. I actually was there on Wednesday before the Black Friday sale, but the prices had already kicked in, so we got one to test out, and it was $19.99. So sit back, relax. I'm gonna try this panini grill by making a breakfast sandwich. I'm just going to make a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich, and we'll see how it turns out. Let me know your comments at the end of the video. You can comment during the video, but let me know what you think about the sandwich at the end of the video. Let's go.
Somehow we find you. That's his trick. Say his name 3 times in a mirror and watch your self-respect just disappear overnight. Thinking he's slick, putting in just enough words to make you think he deserves some of your time. Oh my, oh my. Everything but can't decide. It's a low thing goodbye. Wish for everyone at the same time. He likes to chase, cause somehow it's safe. Never planning on actually staying. Yeah, you know he's just playing. That's his trick. Say his name 3 times in a mirror and watch yourself